Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 8 for the subject of History and Civics. Chapter 14, the United Nations Organization, starting on page number 154 of your textbook, titled Past and Present Aid, and is being submitted to you on 10th May 2021. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. The United Nations Organization was established on 24th October 1945 to promote international peace, cooperation, and security. The First World War led to enormous loss of manpower and property. After the war, the League of Nations was formed to maintain peace among different nations. But the League of Nations failed to achieve its objectives and led to the Second World War. This war caused more casualties and sufferings than the First World War. An urgent need was felt by the leaders of the world to prevent the occurrence of wars. During the course of the Second World War, the President of the USA, Franklin D. Roosevelt, and the Prime Minister of Britain, Winston Churchill, came with an idea of an organization that would be more powerful than the League of Nations in promoting international peace. So, in 1944, some countries met at Dumbarton Oaks, USA, to prepare a draft proposal for the United Nations Organization. In 1945, a meeting was held at San Francisco in which the Charter for the United Nations was drafted and signed by 51 participating countries, and United Nations Organization was formed. Therefore, on 24th October, we celebrate UN Day every year. The headquarters of the United Nations is at New York. At present, there are 193 countries as the members of the UN. The membership of the UN is open to all the peace-loving nations which agree with its objectives and abide by its principles. There are 6 official languages of the UN: Arabic, English, French, Chinese, Russian, and Spanish. A speech given in any one of these languages is simultaneously translated into the other 5 languages. Let us take a short break. You are requested to kindly pause your audio for 3 to 4 minutes after listening carefully to the questions and write the answers in your notebooks. Question number 1. How many countries have the membership of the UN? Question number 2. Name the leaders who took initiative in the formation of the UN. Number 3. When is UN Day celebrated? Answers. Number 1. 193. Number 2, Franklin D. Roosevelt, the President of the USA, and Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of Britain. Number 3, 24th October 1945. It was formed, so we celebrate the UN Day on 24th October every year. Let us continue with our lecture and study about the objectives of the UN. Number 1, to maintain international peace and security. Number 2, to develop friendly relations among the nations. Number 3, to achieve international cooperation in solving different problems concerning humanity. Number 4, to act as a common center for harmonizing the activities of different countries in the attainment of these objectives. Number 5, to promote human rights. Number 6, to protect the environment and provide humanitarian aid in cases of famine, natural disaster, and armed conflict. Principles of the UN. Number 1, all member states shall have sovereign equality. Number 2, all member states shall abide by the UN Charter, that is, they have to obey it. Number 3, all member states shall settle their disputes by peaceful means. No member state shall use force or threat to international peace, security, and justice. All member countries shall help in the attainment of the goals of the UN. Number 5, the UN will not interfere in the internal affairs of any member state. Number 6, the UN shall ensure that even the countries which are not the members of the UN work for maintaining world peace. There are 6 organs of the UN. Here, we will study only about the General Assembly. Rest, we will discuss in our next lecture. The General Assembly is the chief deliberative organ of the UN. It is like a world parliament in which all member states are there. The regular sessions of the Assembly is held once a year in September. Special sessions can be held if there is any emergency. Every member country can send 5 delegates to the UN. However, every country has only 1 vote. The Assembly acts as a forum for the discussion and debate on international issues. Functions: to discuss matters relating to international peace and security, to promote international cooperation in economic, social, education, health, and cultural fields, to promote friendly relations among nations, to consider and pass the annual budget of the UN, to elect members of the UN, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, etc. To appoint the Secretary General on the recommendation of the Security Council. To admit new members on the recommendation of the Security Council. Students, we will continue with this chapter next week. Please read page number 154 to 156 of your textbook. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, 24th October 1945. Number 2, 6. Number 3, Security Council. Write true or false. Number 1, false. Number 2, true. Number 3, true. Home assignment. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Answer these questions 1, ABC. With this, we end this interactive session. Thank you.